Hey, what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out till the morning light? Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just...
So guys, I'm going on the road and I am wearing this dress. This dress is from Fashion Nova. It is a cute little tie strap dress. I'll show you. And the scent that I am going to be wearing today, this is a Christian Dior, and this is the scent that I am going for today. Oh, smells so good. Walking at the little extras, can't wait it. Alright guys. So guys, this is how the little dress looks. Really nice, really cute. And guys, I'm rocking this bag with it. I love it. I don't know what catch right here, so I bought this bag in Panama. It is so cute. I love this bag. Bed spas and match, not true. So yeah. So guys, official intro to this video. Hello, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're always watching, welcome back to another video. So guys, this is the vlog. This is the vlog that I have been wanting to do, as well as this is what I'm going to do. This is what I've been really wanting to do for myself, right? So I'm going to get a facial. This is like a pre-semi maintenance vlog, whereas I'm going to try to get a school shoes, whereas I feel like I want to go get a new Pandora charm because it's a long time since my charm them. I only have 4 charms on it. I can't do like everybody out there. We're up them charm every week, every month. Well, I took a oath that I was going to up my charms every month. However, life take control and that can't go on. Long time I really do nothing for myself, because this entire summer I did so much on our apartment, because when we moved here we weren't able to get everything together. So this summer holiday, that is the whole reason why I was in Jamaica for this summer holiday too as well. We really needed a few things to be done, like the closet, our laundry room. That's not finished, but the house wanted so many things, and I had to sacrifice not traveling this summer to get everything together, because I want when the school year start, but me not feel wonder when me all keep my clothes them. The washroom did pile up a clean clothes, wash clothes all over, so I never really have nowhere to store my clothes. So that's why we had to resort to getting up making a closet, because we weren't given one in the apartment, whereas it was a really good apartment and we could have really said no to the apartment because they didn't get a closet. Whereas landlords out there in a 2020 new season, new living, new modern style, everything, stop make us do a closet. That don't make no sense. Yes, so me tell them business. I love my eyes telling them business. That's why I never go foreign this year. I had to save back, do so much more, and we're still looking to do more before school open. So I never do much myself. Really, I did not do much for myself. I want to still not see everything will go on to as well, because sometimes I do some things. I mean, I say probably I do too much house videos, so I just not bother with it either. But me I got my time now. Today I'm my day. My face, guys. I see people out there say, oh, my face looks so good. On camera. This face is a mess. Look. I'm not afraid to show you, because I'm going to try to start it out today. It is a mess. For a young girl, it is a mess. So I booked an appointment with Faces and Fingers for 4 o'clock. It is currently 2:56, and I want to go to Payless, Pandora, few little stops before 4 o'clock come. So I'm just gonna leave home, and I uttered my word of prayer already to take on the journey, because before me move the car, me pray all the time. Me might not be a underwater baptized Christian, but God, my right hand, always beside me. So guys, stay tuned for this vlog, and I really do hope you enjoy it. I really do hope you guys see that something different. So yeah, I'm gonna play my music now and take on the road. All right.
Just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get. So what the hell? Yeah, what the hell?
Guys, went to Pandora. The store closed. Today is Thursday, as I stated. I did not know that Pandora closed early on a specific day. Come on, I'm not to buy that. Alright, next stop. I'm not have enough time for that playlist, so after my appointment, make a playlist. This is a good reason to why you should do research before you come anywhere. Because when me come, I'm Pandora lock. So anyways, I have 18 minutes to my facial appointment. I don't think I can get payless done within 18 minutes. So by the time I park, go by the place, park, go upstairs, it's like a few minutes before 4. So the facial will take too long. I mean, I don't want you to rush it either. So yeah. Guys, when you talk about customer bathroom, this is how nice customer bathroom should be in your life. I love the floors here. I like the concept. Like, you know, I mean, they could be charging this amount of money in here. Nice, not true? Bathroom nice. So she said my face is really bad, so a chemical peel would be the best thing to do. So let's see how that works for this face.
Go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out till the morning light? Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. Some Chardonnay, we camp in the parking lot. Leave traces of plastic.
Currently, guys, the blackhead extraction has started. Why my job done a natural but I'm not pain, but yeah. So guys, I'm not sure what this part is for. We're finished with the blackhead extraction, and then this is on the face. The blackhead extraction was like the worst part. I hate that part. And then some of the blackhead them can't come up. It's like she's like, if I can needle at the end, I don't know what is it. And stick them wide about the part they just always pop up like surprise.
We have to stay in the shop.
The status of the face, the step that we're at in the facial. So yeah. So guys, I am back in the car. Man, I know you never shown. Like, can you tell that something has been done to my face? Yeah, so if I can look like this, I'm gonna get one pear soap. Take a look like this, and some of them might have a little pus come back up. I think, if I remember good from the last time. So I'm not gonna catch PLS. PLS closed at 5. What? I'm not gonna catch PLS. But I'm gonna go Maxi, and then I'm gonna go up the road. Then I'm gonna get something to eat, and then that's about it. I didn't get any charm today. I really wanted to get a Pandora charm, but that's okay. So yeah. Guys, I'm now in the supermarket. I got some zucchini and some apples. I was looking for colored zucchini, but I don't see any. Little sunny colored zucchini. I'm just getting a few things that we don't have at home until we go to Linksted tomorrow to get some stuff at the supermarket. So yep, I get this one, this orange juice. Oh, not me with this big everlasting cart, and it's empty. I'm not carrying them in my hand. As I said, I don't shop in Progressive for official grocery shopping. Just minimum. Really? These are cheap. $139. No, but it's a plus tax, so it's roughly about $150. So I'm gonna cash out my few little stuff. I'm at the cashier. Yeah. Guys, in Eight Rivers Plaza, and actually I'm heading home. I'm having an apple because I'm hungry. I wanted to go buy, well, I actually went over there over Pizza Hut and tried to see if I could get some cinnamon sticks to grab on while I go home. But the line up there, it's not normal. So, you know, who? No one, nothing over there? Me. So I went to Progressive. And I got an apple. Food they won from yesterday. So, I called Blvd and tells me that I try to get something over Pizza Hut, but not gonna work, so I just buy look at fruits, buy I go home and show them I buy. So I'm actually I go home, but then I wonder panda if me to take the toll or if I take through Fern Gully. I don't have money if I got the toll, but if I got the machine, I'm lazy. But I don't want laziness be. But listen, I go reach home, I don't bother with that. I just never want to go to the dark road, run the dark, but I go home. I now go draw the money and everything I got alright. I got that camera home. So, you know, through sometimes the road dark, you know, I go to that dark road, the toll kind of more safer, but God me believe in us. So, I'm going home. I'm reach home. I'll come back. Bye. Guys, and then my dark road, yeah, me have to contemplate pan. Me have to really think about to say if me want to take this road here or if me want to take the toll. This road, the road went dark like midnight, no reflectors in the road to guide you. The road is bad, although them claim for them fix some the other day. Them really touch up the really bad parts, but like them fix some of the bad parts and leave some holes beside the parts that them fix. And I don't, you know, when you're fixing anything at all, if you leave something beside it, it will come cause a problem again. So this is the road I have to contemplate on whether or not I want to take this road here or if I want to take the toll. I don't like traveling this road because if I'm afraid, I'm not afraid because my car door lock and everything. But if you're afraid, because some parts of the road you have to slow down with me, I tell you. Whoa, dark like midnight, my bone flick all too because me, just me at more worry.